Hello students, now I am going to explain a 7th class new syllabus, second chapter, fractions and decimals, exercise 2.1. First problem. In Jagananna Gorumudda scheme, each student got 3 by 20 kg rice per day. Find the weight of the rice required for 60 students in a class per day. So in the problem given, a weight of the rice for each student, that is equals to 3 by 20 kg. So in the problem they are asking the weight of the rice for 60 students, that is equal to 60 into 3 by 20. Cancellation is possible here. 21 is 20, 23 is 60. So remaining 3 into 3, that is equals to 9 kg. So required answer is 9 kg. Next, second problem.
What is perimeter of a equilateral triangle if each side of a triangle is 5 3 by 10 centimeters? So in a equilateral triangle all sides are equal. So the perimeter of a triangle, that is equals to 3 into side. So first write length of a side of a triangle. Length of a side of a triangle, it is equal to 5 3 by 10 centimeters. So they are asking find perimeter of a equilateral triangle. So now perimeter of a equilateral triangle. Perimeter of a equilateral triangle formula 3 into side. Why? Because in an equilateral triangle 3 sides are equal. Now 3 multiply with the side. The side given in the question 5 3 by 10 centimeters. 3 into 5 3 by 10 is a mixed fraction, convert into improper fraction. 5 into 10 multiply 50. 50 plus 3 becomes 53. 53 by 10 centimeters. 3 nothing but 3 by 1 only. Multiply numerator into numerator. 3 into 53, it becomes 159. 1 into 10 equal to 10. So 159 by 10 centimeters. It is a perimeter of a equilateral triangle. Now converted it into mixed fraction 159 by 10. So this is equal to 159 divided with 10. 10 15 is 150. Remainder equal to 9. So keep arrow marks like this. So this is equal to a mixed fraction 15 9 by 10 centimeters. So final answer 15 9 by 10 centimeters. In 2.1 exercise, third problem. Surya can walk 18 by 5 kilometers in 1 hour. How much distance will be walking to 1 by 2 hours? So in the problem they are given Surya walked distance in 1 hour. So write Surya walked distance in 1 hour. Surya walked distance in 1 hour, that is equal to 18 by 5 kilometers. Next, they are asking how much distance will be walking to 1 by 2 hours. Now, Surya walked distance in 1 by 2 hours. Surya walked distance in 1 by 2 hours. That is equal to a 1 hour distance multiplied with 2 1 by 2. So that is 2 1 by 2 into 18 by 5. 2 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. Convert into improper fraction. 2 into 2 becomes 4. 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So that is equal to 5 by 2 into 18 by 5. Numerator into numerator multiply. 2 into 18, it becomes 90 by 2 into 5 becomes 10. 0 0 cancel, so final answer equal to 9. So the units are kilometers. In 2.1 exercise, fourth problem. If the length and breadth of a rectangular garden are 27 by 2 meters and 15 by 2 meters respectively, then find the area of a garden. So here the area of a garden, that is equal to area of a rectangular garden. The area of a rectangular field formula, length into breadth. So in the problem, length and breadth given. So write solution. The length of a rectangular garden equal to 27 by 2 meters. Next, breadth of a rectangular garden 15 by 2 meters. So next in the problem they are asking area of a garden. Area of a garden, that is nothing but area of a rectangular garden only. So formula, length into breadth. So length equal to 27 by 2 meters multiply with breadth 15 by 2 meters. Multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. So 27 into 15, that is equal to 405 divided by 2 into 2 becomes 4. The units are meters only. Now convert this into mixed fraction. 101 1 by 4 meters only. So the finally the area of a garden equal to 101 1 4 by 4 meters. In 2.1 exercise, fifth problem. Gopal bought 3 1 by 2 kg of potatoes in the market. If he paid 84 rupees, then find the cost of the 1 kg of potatoes. So in the problem given, the cost of 3 1 by 2 kg of potatoes. Cost of 3 1 by 2 kg of potatoes, that is equal to 84 rupees. So they are asking the cost of 1 kg of potatoes. Cost of 1 kg of potatoes. So here we are using the formula total cost of potatoes divided by the number of kgs of potatoes. Number of kgs of potatoes. So in the problem the total cost of potatoes given 84 rupees. So 84 divided by the number of kgs of potatoes, that is equal to 3 1 by 2 kg. So 84 divided by 3 1 by 2 convert into improper fraction. 3 into 2 becomes 6. 6 plus 1 equal to 7. 7 by 2. So simplify this. 84. 7 by 2 it is moving to numerator. It becomes reverse. 2 by 7. Now cancel with 7 table. 7 1 ja, 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja. So finally we got 12 into 2. So that is equal to 24. So the cost of 1 kg of potatoes equal to 24 rupees only. In 2.1 exercise, 6th problem. A car travelled 225 kilometers in 4 1 by 2 hours with a uniform speed. Find the distance travelled in 1 hour. So in the problem given, the car travelled distance in 4 1 by 2 hours, that is equal to 225 kilometers only. Now in the problem asking car travelled in 1 hour. Car travelled distance in 1 hour. So here we are using the formula the total distance travelled by the car divided by the number of hours taken. number of hours. The total distance car cover distance, that is equal to 225 kilometers, divided by the number of hours traveled, that is equal to 4 1 by 2 hours. Now simplify this. 225 divided by 4 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction converted into improper fraction. 4 into 2 becomes 8. 8 plus 1 equal to 9. So 9 by 2. So now simplify this. 225 divided by 9 by 2, that is equal to 225 into 9 by 2, it is moving to numerator, it becomes reverse, 2 by 9. Now cancel with the 9 table. 9 1 ja, 9 2 ja 18, 9 5 ja 45. So finally 25 into 2 multiply, you will get 50. So the distance units are kilometers. Now the car traveled distance in 1 hour equal to 50 kilometers. Next problem in 2.1 exercise 7th one. If 24 students share 4 by 5 kg of cake, then how much cake does each one get? So in the problem given, the weight of the cake shared by 24 students. Weight of cake shared by 24 students, that is equal to 4 by 5 kg. Next, so in the problem they are asking the weight of cake shared by each one. Weight of cake shared by each student. So here we are using the formula total weight of the cake. Total weight of cake divided by the number of students in a class. The total weight of the cake given in the problem 4 by 5 divided by the number of students also given 24. Simplify this. 4 by 5 convert into improper fraction. 4 into 5 becomes 20. 20 plus 4 equal to 24. 24 by 5 divided by 24. So 24 nothing but 24 by 1. Now simplify this again. 24 by 5 in the denominator given 24 by 1. It is moving to numerator 1 by 24. 24 1 ja, 24 1 ja. So finally we got 1 by 5 kg. The weight of cake shared by each student equal to 1 by 5 kg only. Next problem in 2.1 exercise 8th problem. A drum contains 210 liters of water. How many times does the boy get the water for watering the plants with 3 1 by 2 liters of a full bucket from the drum? So in the problem given water in a drum. Water in a drum. How many number of liters? 210 liters. So in the problem they are asking the number of times of the boy get water with the full bucket of the water. The number of times the boy get water with full bucket of water, that is equal to formula the total number of liters in a drum. The number of liters in a drum the number of liters in a drum divided by the number of liters of bucket. So in a drum total water are 210 liters. The number of liters of the bucket, that is equal to 3 1 by 2 liters. Simplify this. 210 divided by 3 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction converted into improper. 3 into 2 becomes 6. 6 plus 1 equal to 7. So 7 by 2. Simplify again this. 210. 7 by 2, it is in denominator. It is moving to numerator. Reverse. 2 by 7. Cancellation with 7 table. 7 1 ja. 7 3 ja 21. 7 into 0 0. So finally we got 30 into 2. That is equal to 60. So finally the number of liters of boy get water with a full bucket of water, that is equal to 60.
Okay students, this is about 2.1 exercise. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel.